Good morning, students. Welcome in history class. Our French Revolution topic is lesson is going on. In the last topic, we have discussed how France became a constitutional monarchy. But today we will discuss how France abolished monarchy system and becomes a republic country. First point. Although Louis XVI had signed the constitution, even in 1791, Louis XVI already signed the constitution. But after that, he entered into secret negotiations. After that, he was making the new plans with the king of Prussia. यानी कि उसके बावजूद भी वो योजनाएं बनाता रहा अदर कंट्रीज़ के राजाओं के साथ मिलकर. इवन मैरी क्वीन एंटोनी ने भी अपने भाई से सहायता मांगी कि फ्रांस में हमें दोबारा मोनार्की सिस्टम स्टैब्लिश करने में आप हमारी हेल्प करें. रूलर्स ऑफ नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ वर वरीड. नॉट ओनली फ्रांस रूलर, इवन नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ rulers were worried, kings were worried. Why? They were thinking if France people can do, they can remove the monarchy system from the France, so it means our people can also do same thing. So for that purpose, they sent their troops to put down the events that took place in 1789. But before that, what happened? National Assembly voted in April 1792 to declare war against Prussia and Russia. Before that, National Assembly declared war against for which countries? Austria and Prussia. April 1792. War against the kings and aristocracies all over Europe, against the aristocracy, monarchy system, we can say that the dynasty system. And in that war, many volunteers took participate. When they marched into Paris, they were singing a song, or volunteers sang a song, or what was that song name? Marseillaise. And after that, it became the national anthem of France. It was one of the patriotic songs sung by the common people of France. People held the king as hostage. It means फ्रांस के लोगों ने अपने राजा को ही बंदी बना लिया. क्या सिचुएशन हुई ऐसी? वाई? We have seen in 1791 constitution made, as the constitution provided political rights only to a richer section of society. So a large section of the populations were convinced that the revolution should continue. So for that purpose, people started forming political club where they can discuss government policies and plans. So the most successful of these clubs was the Jacobin clubs, or their leader was Maximilian Robespierre, and among them they made many political clubs where they can discuss the government policies and plans. Or among them, which was the most powerful club? Jacobin clubs. And then who was the main leader here? Maximilian Robespierre. And with the support of the Jacobin clubs, people started uprising due to the shortage supplies and high food prices. We have already seen कि फ्रांस में फूड प्राइसेस की शॉर्टेज, हाई फूड प्राइसेस की प्रॉब्लम, और साथ में शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड. तो फॉर दैट पर्पज दे हैव held the king as a hostage. But what happened for that purpose? They have attacked also, where in August 1792 the members of the Jacobin club stormed into the palace of Tuileries and held the king as a hostage. Later the assembly voted in imprisonment of the royal family and elections were held, but that pattern was different. यानी कि when the constitution made, who can cast their vote? Those who got the age of 25 years age, or only propertied men can cast their vote. Women also cannot cast their vote. But in that, when the new elected assembly, what they have done, they given the chance to those who got the age of 21 years, everyone, they can cast their vote. और newly elected assembly was called the convention, यानी कि जो नेशनल असेंबली का नाम चेंज कर अब क्या रख दिया गया? कन्वेंशंस. On 21st September 1792, that is the most important, on 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy system from the France, and what established here? France became a republic on 21st September 1792. And in the newly elected assembly convention, and then who was the main members here? Mean the Jacobin clubs. Why the Jacobin clubs were there? Because the members of the Jacobin clubs belongs to mainly to the less prosperous sections. When the constitution made in 1791, they also didn't get the political rights, or they mainly including, for example, shopkeepers, artisans, workers, etc. तो इट मीन्स कुल मिलाकर कन्वेंशन में किसका दबदबा बन गया? अब जैकोबिन क्लब्स के मेंबर्स का। पूरी पावर अब इनके हाथों में आ गई कंट्री की। तो नाउ किंग लुई 16 एंड क्वीन मैरी एंटोनीते ग्लिटन, यानी कि वहाँ के किंग लुई 16 को और क्वीन मैरी एंटोनीते को ग्लिटेंड कर दिया गया। ग्लिटेंड क्या थे? वॉज ए डिवाइस कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ 2 पोल्स एंड ए ब्लेड विद विच ए पर्सन वॉज बी हेडेड, यानी कि उसका सिर धड़ से अलग कर देना, बिल्कुल उसको ख़त्म कर देना। और इसके बाद फ्रांस में किसका रूल स्टैब्लिश हो गया? मैक्सिमिलियन रोबोस्पियर। थैंक यू।